Teach younger students basic sport skills with this introductory pack. Introducing the Gopher Introductory Sport Ball Pack. Created to cater specifically to beginners, this pack features two types of sport balls. The soft, textured rubber SofTex balls provide extra grip for more control and easy handling, giving younger players confidence with each kick, toss, and catch. DuraBalls are made with molded liquid vinyl for seamless durability to last against institutional use. Though durable, these balls are soft and larger than SofTex balls, making them non-intimidating and allow for a better chance of success. The Gopher Introductory Sport Ball Pack includes 6 of each sport ball and 2 VersaBag mesh storage bags for easy organization and storage. Everything you need for younger students to gain skills and confidence in multiple sports with one convenient pack. Gopher Introductory Sport Ball Pack, only from Gopher.